Whoa, look at this. Wow, this is a tank. Wow, this is a very dangerous tank, guys. Wow, this is very dangerous tank. Wow, nice tank. Look at this. Wow, this is huge collection, guys. Wow, nice. Look at this. Wow, this is forklift. Wow, this is small size forklift, guys. Wow, nice forklift. Wow, this is a forklift. Look at this. This is front loader. Wow, this is a small size front loader, guys. Wow, this is front loader. Small size front loader, guys. Wow. Look at this. Wow, this is excavator. Wow, this is a small size excavator, guys. Wow, this is excavator. Small size excavator. Wow, nice excavator. Look at this. Wow, this is ambulance. Emergency ambulance, guys. Wow, nice ambulance. Wow. Look at this. Wow, this is concrete mixer truck. Big size concrete mixer truck, guys. Wow, this is very big size concrete mixer truck. Wow, nice. Look at this. Wow, this is a Jeep. Small size Jeep. Wow, this is very small size Jeep. Wow, this is very qualityful Jeep. Wow. Look at this. Wow, this is a road roller. Big size road roller, guys. Wow, nice road roller. Big size road roller, guys. Wow, look at this. Wow, this is fire rescue bus. Wow, nice fire rescue bus, guys. Wow, this is a small size fire rescue bus. Wow. Look at this. Wow, this is a missile truck. Big size missile truck, guys. Wow, nice missile truck. Wow, nice. Look at this. Wow, this is a small size dam truck. Wow, this is very qualityful dam truck, guys. Wow, this is very qualityful dam truck. Wow, this is very small size. Wow, look at this. This is fire emergency unit Jeep. Wow, nice fire emergency unit Jeep, guys. Wow, this is very quality full fire emergency unit Jeep. Wow. Look at this! Wow! This is water tanker. Wow! Nice water tanker, guys. Wow! This is very quality for water tanker. Wow! Nice. Look at this! Wow! This is a big size dam truck. Wow! Nice dam truck, guys. Wow! This is very big size dam truck. Wow! Look at this! Wow! This is helicopter. This is emergency helicopter, guys. Wow! This is very qualityful helicopter. This is very small size. Look at this! Wow! This is concrete mixer truck. Small size concrete mixer truck, guys. Wow! This is very qualityful concrete mixer truck. This is very heavy and a strong concrete mixer truck. Wow, nice.